Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICSE. Today's class we are going to write our monthly test of a number. So, we are going to do the revision in this section. First one is a portion for this monthly test is Unit 4 multiples and factors up to LCM. So, pattern is first one is fill in the blanks 5 marks. Do as directed. 2 mark questions 10 marks you are going to attend, that is 20 marks, and solve the word problem, 2 word problems, that is 10 marks. And now coming for this 1 marks revision, fill in the blanks. First one is 9 multiply by dash equal to 54. So when we multiply with the 9, which number will get to 54? You can say the 9 table. So 9 6 are 54. So 6 will be the answer. Next, second question, factor of 12 are. So which table the 12 number will come, we have to find. That is the factors. So it will come in the 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, and the 12 table. Third question is write first 3 multiples, first 5 multiples or first 3 multiples. Similarly, they will give the questions. Here we have 3 multiples of a 7. So 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Next, fourth one is the number dash is unique number. So unique number is only 1 because it will never come in the prime number nor come in the composite number. Next, fifth one, the only even prime number is 2. So apart from 2, all the prime numbers are odd numbers alone. Next, sixth question, example for the twin prime numbers. We have more twin prime numbers, that is twin prime means next number, in between only one number should come, it should be the prime numbers. For example, I took here 15 and 17. Next, seventh question, prime factors of 18. So 18 you can do it by division method or factorization method, whatever. You can do it in the rough column and write the prime factors, that is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Eighth question, HCF full form means highest common factor. Next, ninth one is LCM full form lowest common multiple. Next, 10th one, HCF of 8 and 12. You can do it any method in the rough column and find the answer and put it here. HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. LCM of 6 and 14. Similarly, we know the prime factorization method or division method, whatever. You can do it in the rough column and write it here. Here, LCM of 6 and 14 is 42. That's it, children. Example of 1 marks revision is over now. Coming to the second Roman letter, do as directed. So what are the possible questions is available here? Let me teach now. First one is list all the factors of a 48. So 48, which table and all it will come, we have to write it. 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12, 6 into 8. So the factors of 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. The second possible question is write the multiples of 18. So first 5 multiples of 18 means 18 into 1, 18 into 2, 18 into 3, 18 into 4, 18 into 5. So you have to do it in that, you know the 18 table, you can write it as it is. Otherwise, if the number will change, if it is 36 or 92 like that, the number will given means you have to write it in the rough column, multiply and write the answer here. Here for this 18 is 18 into 1, 18, 18 into 2, 36, 18 into 3, 54, 18 into 4, 72, 18 into 5, it is 90. Coming to the third question, write all prime numbers between 1 and 20. So between 1 and 20 or 20 to 30 or we know that up to 50 also, no? So you can write the prime numbers. Here they are asking for 1 to 20, it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. The fourth question is find the prime factors by division method. Here the question given is 96. So take the 96. First it is a even number. You can try with the 2 table itself. In 2 table we have in 9, 4 2s are 8. One more remaining is there, that is 16. 8 2s are 16. Now we have 48. 48 also even number. Try with the 2 table. It is 24 times. 24 even number. Try with the 2 table 12 times. 12 is a even number, again try with the 2 table, it is 6 times. 6 is a even number, again try with the 2 table, it is 3 times. So prime factors of 96 is 2 multiply, 2 multiply, 2 multiply, 2 multiply, 2 multiply 3. 5 times 2 and 3. Coming to the fifth question, prime factors by factor tree method. So similarly, prime factors, we are going to split the number into factor tree method. First 90 is the question given here. 90 is the even number, so you can split it with the 2 table. 2 into 45, it is 90. Then 45 is the odd number, so we will go with the 45 will come in the 5 table, so 9 5s are 45. Next 9 will come in the 3 table, 3 3s are 9. So that's it, all the prime numbers we found. Now prime factors of 90 is equal to 2 multiply, 5 multiply, 3 multiply 3. Next, sixth question, find the HCF by listing the factor method. So first they given two numbers here, 32 and 48. We have to write the factors of 32 and factors of 48 by listing the method. That is 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 4 into 8. So factors we can find it out. For 48 also 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12, 6 into 8. So write the factors of a 32, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Factors of 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So the highest common factor here is 16. So HCF is 16. Next, HCF by prime factorization method. First thing is you have to do the prime factors for both the number and write it in common. We have to choose only the common factors, that is HCF. First for 300 is a even number, 2 times 2 table 150, again 2 table 75. 75 is the odd number, go with the 5 table 15. 15 again odd number, go with 5 table 3 times, 3 in 1 time. Next 528, it's a even number, go with the 2 table 264, again 2 table 132, again 2 table 66, again 2 table 33, again now it is 33, 3 table 11 times, 11 is a prime number, that's it. So prime factors of 300 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3. Prime factors of 528 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 11. From this we have to choose only the common number. So 2 times 2 is common here and 1 time 3 is common here. So you can choose is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. The HCF is 12 now. Next one is HCF by division method. So they given two numbers, we have to choose the smallest number outside, the biggest number inside first. So 144, 180. So in 180 we have only one time 144, remaining is 36. Next step is you have to bring down the divisor inside, that is 144 inside. In 36 how many times 144 will come, we have to check it. It is 4 times. 4 times 36 is 144, the remaining is 0. Till the remaining 0 we have to continue the division method. So now the HCF is the last process, which number will get the 0, that will be the HCF. Here the HCF is 36. Next possible question is find the LCM by prime factorization method. We know the prime factorization method, that is we can do with the division as a prime factor method. Here 27 and 54 is the question. 27 is the odd number, then check with the 3 table 9 times, and 9 is the next number. 9 will come in the 3 into 3. So next 54 is a even number, so go with the 2 table. 2 into 27 is 54. 27 is an odd number, go with the 3 table. 9 times 9, 3 into 3. So the prime factors of 27 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Prime factors of 54 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. LCM means we have to choose first the common numbers first, then the remaining numbers also we need to add. So 3 times is there, and only 2 is left over, so that also we have to choose it for LCM. So least common multiple it is. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 2, that is answer is 54. The final question for the possible one is LCM by division method. So we know that prime factorization method, similarly we will go with the division method. First one is 42 and 70. We have to choose it for both the number will come in the same table or not. So both are even numbers, go with the 2 table. 42 is 21 times, 70 is 35 times. Then both are odd numbers, go with the 3 table. 7 times 21. 35 will never come on the 3 table, you write it, bring it 35 as it is. Next is 7 table, 1 times 7, 35 is 5 times, and 5 it will come on the 1 times 1 time. Up to till 1 1 we have to do for the LCM. HCF means both the numbers should come on the same table, we have to stop the process, but in LCM we have to bring down up to 1 1. So the LCM here, the prime factors given here is 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 5. So next step is 2 3s are 6, 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 210. We completed the possible 2 mark questions. Go with the solve word problems. So few word problems are there in the exercise. Actually 5 word problems are there in the exercise 4.3. So from that we are going to get 2 word problems as an question paper. Let me explain 1 or 2 sums for you. First one is second sum. Sanjay has 15 toffees, Raj has 20 and Sanjana has 25 toffees. They wanted to make the packet with an equal number of toffees in each packet with no toffees is left behind. Find the maximum toffees that should be there in the packet. The maximum is the clue word, underline it. So maximum they are asking means we have to find it out the HCF. Go with the HCF of 15, 20 and 25. So you can do with the division method or prime factorization method as you like, but we need to find it out the prime factors for this thing. So the sentence will be number of toffees Sanjay has is 15, number of toffees Raj has 20, number of toffees Sanjana has 25. The HCF of 15, 20 and 25 is 5. So we can pack 5 toffees can be packed in each packet. Coming to the third question, find the greatest number that is divised 340 and 850 exactly without leaving a remainder. So take the HCF of 340 and 850, that is you can do with the division method. That will be correct method for this. The greatest number means HCF only. So you can do it in the rough column. The answer is 170 is the greatest number that divides 340 and 850 exactly. For the fourth sum is find the largest number that is divise 385, 765 leaving a remainder of 5. So largest number is a clue word here. We need to find it out the HCF. Go with the division method. So now we have the division method. 380 is the remainder. So 385 is the question is given here. So we can leave the 5 as a remainder. So the HCF of 385 and 765 is 380. That's it children. We completed the revision section now. Good luck children. Do your exams well. Thank you.